Well, my name is Roberto Gonzalez Sr. I am a registered nurse. I'm a retired ER nurse for the Cleveland Clinic. I was born and raised in Cleveland, Ohio, and that's where my home buying experience with InterLinc Mortgage began. And I'm also a retired United States Air Force. I retired in 2002 and excited to be returning back to the great city of San Antonio. I came to first work with InterLinc Mortgage through my realtor, and when I stressed the importance of working within the Latino community and I wanted a strong representation from a mortgage company with strong Latino ties, and I was introduced to John Lopez. My home buying process was exciting and stressful, being that I live out of state primarily. They made it very easy for me, and they understood the distance and even the time change. They offered me all opportunities, but certainly I wanted the VA loan, and they made that process very positive for me. This is not my first home, but what sets InterLinc above the previous mortgage experience I had was just the family approach that I was given. I wasn't just a client. I've had heart-to-heart talks with many of the members of the staff, including the owner himself, and I felt very comfortable with them. We communicated often, thankfully, to electronic correspondence as well as phone. I was able to be available for them, and they were considerate of my work schedule as well. So I was available for a lot of the evenings, and they made that reasonable as well, and they were considerate of that. It was very pleasing and very easy to work with. Well, what I like about John was just his personal nature, his personality, the way that we were able to communicate on the phone as if we had known one another, similar stories, similar lifestyle, etc. It was very familiar, as we like to say. My name is Roberto Gonzalez Sr. I am a registered nurse and retired Air Force, and I recommend InterLinc Mortgage for any of your mortgage needs, including VA.